Chibai vek ule masain kan channel te mi lo lut sak chin tu da chunga lom thu kan soi le a ta chuan in likes nei comments te po kha thanem min han ngai sak ola tin na subscribe lo te pon mi lo subscribe saka share te pon mi lo share sak chin tu in kan gen cheu a chuan heng grammar zirna kan han buat sai hi in lo hlok pui ve nge kan be se a engkim tum khata minute we lo te chungin soi fia kim bak te har sa thin kan ti kha mi du khop lo na om chuan in sha thiam na kan han ngen ngal ni sila kan ti to thin kha amero chu kan soi to china ero chuan lok na in lo char le nge kan be se ani ti chuan voina chuan adverb kan zir dona kan soi tan nga langa adverb. What is an adverb? Adverb chu enge kan ti chuan an adverb is a word which modifies the meaning of verb, an adjective or another adverb. An adverb is a word which modifies the meaning of verb, an adjective or another adverb. Adverb chu verb emo, adjective emo, another adverb. Adverb dang emo verb soi fia tura trong kam kan man kan ti dang lam hi ani tina ani ta a verb chu nge kan ti chuan thil ti ka in kan zir to khamo verb emo adjective emo another adverb ti dang lam tura trong kam kan bel hi adverb chu ani tina ani. An adverb is a word which modifies the meaning of verb, an adjective or another adverb. This one kinds of adverb. Chishang shang adverb chu chishang shang oma when I han peruk kan zir dona since 6 kinds of adverb. Adverb ziruk kan zir dona chung ta chu. The 6 kinds of adverb are adverb of manner, adverb of place, adverb of time, adverb of number or frequency, adverb of degree, and interrogative adverb. We cut kan soi non liang. The 6 kinds of adverb are adverb of manner, adverb of place, adverb of time, adverb of number or frequency, adverb of degree, and interrogative adverb. They are the 6 kinds of adverb. Khang te kha adverb ziruk te chu anni. Ti chuan amalte te in ganan soi fia leanga masabir adverb of manner. What is an adverb of manner? Adverb of manner chu enge kan ti chuan. Adverb of manner tell us how an action is done. How an action is done. Eng angin nge action kan thil ti kha verb ka thil ti ani kan soi to kha. Adverb of manner chuan eng angin nge thil kan ti kha soi fia tu kha adverb of manner chu ni eng anga ti nge ani ti soi fia tu. It tells us how an action is done. Example la entirnan she ate her meal quietly. Titaira she ate her meal quietly. Eng angin nge acho kha e mo quietly kha adverb of manner chu ani. Mizo tungin entirna dangan soi taira ring takin azai titaira eng angin nge azai ring takin tilaya kha adverb of manner chu ani. Chak takin akal te titaira eng angin nge kal chak takin tilaya kha adverb of manner chu ani. Kan thil ti akha eng angin nge kan ti soi fia tu akha adverb of manner chu ni. It tells us how an action is done. This one apani na adverb of place. What is an adverb of place? Adverb of place chu nge kan ti chuan. It tells us where an action is done. Where an action is done. Place ti chu mun ti na ni ta a khoi mun a nge kan ti na kha kan ti na mun kan thil ti na kha a mun soi fia tu kha adverb of place chu ani. Example la I live here ti ta ira heta han ka cheng ti ta ira khoi nge a place ko mu tu kha chu here kha ni heta hian ti na kha. I search my lost pen everywhere tita ila ka pen bo mun tina ka zong to tita ila adverb of place so mun tin kha ni mo a mun ko mu tu zel kha adverb of place so ni where an action is done khoi muna nge a mun min ko mu tu kha adverb of place chu ani. This one apathum na adverb of time. What is an adverb of time? Adverb of time chu enge kan ti chuan. It tells us where an action is done, when an action is done. When when chu engtika nge ti na engtika nge kan thil ti kha kan ti enghuna nge a hun a time a hun min ko mu tu kha adverb of time chu ani te khina do it now tuna tiro tuna te kha adverb of time chu ani I have not seen it before kha adverb of time chu ni naktu pa kalo kalang ti taila adverb of time chu naktu kha ni nakina nichina tia hun kan soina zong hi adverb of time chu ani it tell us when an action is done engtika nge enghuna nge kan thil ti kan ti tar lang tu kha adverb of time chu ani adot le apalena adverb of number or frequency what is an adverb of number or frequency adverb of number amo frequency amo chu engti na nge kan ti chuan it tells us how often an action is done it tells us how often an action is done engzat tam nge engzat nge kan thil ti akha azat ko mu tu akha adverb of number or frequency chu ani ngai lo tizia changin kan ti ho kha khang kha adverb of number or frequency chu ani I never tell lie ti ta ila dot ka soi ngai lo never ngai lo kha adverb of number or frequency chu ani be always truthful ti ta ila be always truthful the adverb of number or frequency is always khatianga kan thil ti azat tar lang tu kha adverb of number or frequency chu ni tichuan adot le adverb of degree what is an adverb of degree adverb of degree chu enge kan ti chuan adverb of degree tell us how much or to what extent an action is done kan thil ti soifia tura war taka thu kan bel hi adverb of degree chu ani te hinan the tea is too hot ti daila thingpui kha asalut tuk ani asa kha na soi to hot kha asa nia too hot salut tuk to kha adverb of degree te na chu ani ta ni a chair kha ti daila chair lutuk ti daila alutuk akha kha adverb of degree chu ani asang lutuk he is very tall ti taila very layaka adverb of degree chu ni it tells us how much or to what extent an action is done kan thil ti war taka kan soilan na kha adverb of degree chu ani and the last one interrogative adverb what is an interrogative adverb interrogative adverb chu hingan ti chuan interrogative adverbs are used to ask questions zona min zo tu zong how when why what where kan ti zong engtin nge khoi hmuna nge engtika nge khoya nge engtin nge khang zona zong hi interrogative adverb chu ani for example how did you do it titaila the interrogative adverb is how where do you live titaila the interrogative adverb is where khang zona min zo tu zong kha interrogative adverb chu adi tichuan achian le zwalna na mula tong be khat kan soi lenga adverb chu ingene what is an adverb is a word which modifies the meaning of verb an adjective or another adverb chu verb kan thil ti soifia tar lang tura thu kan bel hi ani te na ni a there are the 6 kinds of adverb chirok te chu adverb of manner adverb of place adverb of time adverb of number or frequency adverb of degree and interrogative adverb khang te kha 6 kinds of adverb te chu an ni a adverb of manner what is an adverb of manner it tells us how an action is done adverb of manner chu kan thil ti tar lang tu eng angin nge kan ti tar lang tu hi adverb of manner chu ani kan thil ti reng eng angin nge kan ti soifia tu kha adverb of manner chu ani a adverb of place what is an adverb of place adverb of place chu it tells us where an action is done eng hmuna nge khoi hmuna nge thil kan ti soifia tu kha adverb of place chu ani a adverb of time what is an adverb of time adverb of time tells us when an action is done eng hmuna nge eng huna nge ti when ahun a time ahun min ko mo tu kha adverb of time chu ani a number 4 adverb of number or frequency chu azat min shilfia tu ka how often an action is done eng anga zing nge eng anga khat nge eng tin nge kan ti azat ko mu tu hi adverb of number or frequency ani a pangana adverb of degree to it tells us how much or what extent an action is done eng anga tam nge eng anga warin nge kan ti shilfia tu hi adverb of degree chu ani a interrogative adverb the last one ato berna interrogative adverb used to ask questions zona min zol tu kha interrogative adverb chu ani a theihin me alo tur chu sentence stopper zona chin chana question mark da zia tur ani ole tuntuma chuan khati chung ka hun karon man thei te chu ani a lom nga ya min lo ngai thlak sak thin tu te chunga lom tho kan soile